Welcome to Safe Trader. This is Aravind. Now we are going to analyze the levels for Nifty Bank, Nifty 50, and one more stock where we think that we have a potential opportunity for us to gain profits. First, if you look at Bank Nifty, it has taken very good support around this zone above 41,200, and since then it has been consistently showing us a downtrend. Though I see there are two green candles which I expect to be due to festive season, due to it could be due to Dasara or Diwali. So where we have had good results also, and that is one of the reasons why we have a bullish momentum. And even then, if you look at the candlestick pattern as well, it is trying to form lower highs, where I see a bearish momentum in the long run, at least for this week's expiry. However, we want you to consider the levels that we are going to provide before entering into any trades. That is basically, now it is trading around 39,573. So if the bank nifty is falling below 39,300, you can enter into a put position, or you can sell futures. Or if it is going above 40,100, then it is going to be an upward momentum where you can take safely a call position if you are an option buyer. But if there is a sideways momentum for a short term, and for an option buyer who does not have a clear view of which one to enter, be it a put option or a call option, I would say you can safely take 39,300 call option and 40,100 put option. Please bear in mind, 39,300 call option and 40,100 put option. Basically, to avoid theta decay, we suggest you to take in the money option. So in case after taking these two positions, if the trend is breaking any of these levels, we can exit the opposite leg. For example, if the bank nifty falls below 39,300, we can exit 39,300 call and carry on with 40,100 put, which will give us good profits. Else, if the bank nifty is going above 40,100, we can still hold 39,300 call and exit 40,100, being the reason that this will give us good profits. However, having said all these things, we are overall bearish in bank nifty as it is trying to form lower highs. Okay, and let's go ahead and look at the nifty as well. Even in nifty, I see that it is trying to form lower highs here also. And one consistent thing that we have observed in nifty is that it does not give us a rapid momentum just like you see it in bank nifty. It is a slow gainer. Wherever you see, it is a slow gainer. It tries to go up in a very slow manner. It does not shoot up just like bank nifty. However, now after hitting the 18,600 levels, which is kind of all-time high for us, it is trying to form lower lows here. Even in nifty, we expect the nifty to be a downtrend going forward, at least on a weekly basis. Now, if it is an intraday, the traders have to be cautious and follow the levels that we provide. Now, 18,100 or 18,300 being the resistance levels on a shorter term, and also 17,600 and 17,500, these two levels being the support levels for us to enter or exit positions that we have. And again, whoever is a risky trader in nifty can enter with 17,600 call option and 18,100 put option. But nifty is something where it does not shoot up or come down very drastically as it does in bank nifty. So I would caution the traders to be very cautious when trading in nifty. And moreover, one more indication which I see it here is that there is a lot of gap between the each intraday that we have seen here. Now I am sure it is trying to fill the gaps here. So I expect, at least for this week and the next week at least, I expect the Nifty to come down to a certain level where it tries to fill the gap, and also I expect this Nifty to come down to at least 17,200 levels in the shorter term. But for this one to happen, it has to break the levels that we have provided. So be careful when trading on Nifty, and also Bank Nifty. You can still take the positions which we have suggested and follow the levels that we have provided so that you can trade cautiously and safely, exit with the profits. And finally, we would like you to consider Essar Transport, which is giving us a bullish momentum for a long time. If you actually look at the Essar Transport trend, it was trying to break certain levels for long time here. If you look at now, it has broken this particular resistance level here and trying to sustain above these 1530 levels. It is at 1617 now, and based on the financial that it is reporting, based on the volume that it has and the open interest that is Shriram Transport is building up, we are expecting a buy opportunity in Shriram Transport. Now, if we are entering into Shriram Transport, my first level, my first target will be 1700 here. My first level will be 1700 here, and the next one would be 1700, and 1750 will be the second target. Third target will be 1820. Okay, so these are my targets for Shriram Transport for the longer term. So I see a very good buying opportunity in Shriram Transport. So, and this is suggested for either futures or cash, but whoever is a option buyer or an option seller, please keep your margin and reward and risk at hand, and based on that you can trade, and keep our levels handy so that you don't take more risk when entering into any of the trades. Now, if you ask me for the stop loss here, I would say the stop loss is very, very long. However, you can keep a stop loss of shorter stop loss. I would say, shorter stop loss would be around these levels, 1450, and the longer stop loss would be 1250. So have these levels in hand when you trade in Essar Transport. But I am still bullish in Essar Transport, and we have provided Essar Transport call in our premium group last week, and we are still holding those levels. And I'm sure this will give you a lot of profits in the coming days. Hope you all like this content that we have been providing. If you like the content, please hit the like button, share this video across your friends circle, and also subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, there is a Telegram channel we've been maintaining, and there is a link that's given in the description. Please hit it to join the group for daily updates and regular follow-ups. Thank you very much.